So flavorful.
It is so flavorful, you're right. I want the fat. Holy shit, that's good. Today's mission is 3 things and 3 things only. Number 1, get a haircut. I really appreciate you for doing this for me, baby. Season 2 of Squid Games, what do you think?
I just have a lot more questions than answers.
All right. Thanks, baby.
You're welcome.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Mm-hmm.
I'm hungry. I'm a little hungry.
Yeah? Do you want them to see it?
Yeah.
So look at our shoes. This is our Do you have any idea where we're going to eat after working out?
I thought maybe.
She wants fried chicken or chicken in general, right?
Yeah.
You want fried chicken or chicken? Just chicken.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So workout is done. Now we're on to the restaurant. But she still doesn't have any idea where we're going to. But she also said...
Oh no.
What?
Are we gonna go to Mama Bird? Because last week when we were here, I said that they have really good fried chicken.
Yeah, happy hour.
So we kind of give you like a little combo, fried green beans and pickles like together.
Okay.
Firecracker shrimp is actually, it's the unassuming one because you're like, firecracker shrimp, but it's really, really good.
Service here is phenomenal. Ambience is great. They're great.
This is really good.
This is happy hour.
Yeah.
Oh shit. I want the fat. Give me a second. Holy shit, that's good. Brisket is really good though.
good.
Seasoned well.
What else should I order? Are those shrimp or what?
This is the firecracker
Firecracker shrimp.
It's really good. It's on the happy hour.
With
Cornbread.
jalapeno cornbread is
So
the best.
good. No,
No
you're
worries. So we're here at Capital One for a quick recap. So in conclusion, what do you think about that dinner?
It was great.
It was great. So how was their service?
Impeccable.
Impeccable.
I want service like that everywhere we go. I guess we just have to drop like $100 every time we go somewhere.